Welcome to Attack. In this video I will discuss that how you can transfer files in available offline mode in Google Drive. If you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel for tech related updates. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Drive. Then on top left corner you can see three lines. Here you can see offline. So you can see there is no file on this device. So select the file and click on three dots. Here you can see make available offline option. Click on it and file will be made available offline. So again I will select a file and I will move it to offline available mode. So click it and file is moved to available offline mode. So in this way you can transfer files in available offline mode in Google Drive. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.